Shum Center Law Group presents a podcast on family law. Today we will discuss criteria for suing an adulterer and determining compensation, a topic of great interest to many. In cases of adultery lawsuits, the court considers various factors to determine appropriate compensation based on the circumstances of each case. These criteria are derived from Sections 1623 and 1625 of the Civil and Commercial Code, which outline the rights of a spouse who has suffered damage due to the actions of a third party. The key factors considered include 1. Social status of the spouses. The court examines the social status of the spouses, such as their education, occupation, income, family background, and public reputation. These factors influence compensation as they reflect the status and image that may be damaged by the wrongdoing. 2. Duration of the marriage. A long-standing and stable marriage generally results in higher compensation than a newly registered one, as the court considers the impact of destroying an established relationship. 3. Wedding ceremony. If the couple had a grand wedding that was publicly recognized, the court may factor this into the compensation, as it signifies the value placed on the marital relationship and social status. 4. Having children together. Spouses with children often receive higher compensation because adultery affects not only the marital relationship, but also the family structure and children. The court considers the emotional and social impact on the children. 5. Family relationship before the incident. If the marriage was harmonious before the affair, the court may award higher compensation, recognizing the severe emotional and psychological damage caused by the adulterous act. 6. Behavior. After the affair is exposed, the court considers the adulterer's behavior after being discovered. If they continue the relationship or cause further disruption, the compensation may increase accordingly. 7. Public exposure of the affair. If the adulterer openly displays the relationship, such as posting on social media or attending public events together, the court may grant higher compensation as this causes embarrassment and reputational harm to the spouse. 8. Duration of the affair. A long-term extramarital relationship may lead to higher compensation, as it demonstrates a prolonged violation of the marital rights of the affected spouse. 9. Knowledge of the third party about the marriage. If the third party, the adulterer, knowingly engaged in the affair despite being aware of the spouse's marital status, the court tends to grant higher compensation, as it indicates an intentional infringement of the spouse's rights. 10. Other relevant factors. The court may consider additional factors such as inciting marital conflict, damaging the spouse's reputation, or causing severe emotional distress. Conclusion. Adultery lawsuits serve to protect the rights of the affected spouse and ensure fair compensation for the damage caused. The court evaluates multiple factors to uphold justice, considering the circumstances and evidence presented.